Hello everyone, this is Thao. Welcome back to Introduction to Java series. Today I will talk about control flow part 2, which is break, continue, and local variable scope. First, I will talk about break. We know about break statement in switch, and we can do break in the loop too. And it helps us to exit a loop in the middle, and we can give a name to the break. Continue is similar to break, and it jumps to the end of the current loop. And local variable scope, in a method, we have some parameter variable, and that parameter variable is valid only in the method. Or, for example, we have for int I equals 0, I smaller than 10, and I plus plus. The variable I here is local variable, and it's only valid in the for loop. After the for loop, I variable is no exist, and we cannot do anything with it. So the local variable scope extends from the point where the variable is declared to the end of the enclosing block. So let's do some demo. Let's open NetBeans. Let's create a new project. Click Next, and I will name it as Control Flow 2. And click Finish. So now let's do some demo here. I have a variable int var assignment 3, and I will do y var greater than 1 close parenthesis and open a block of code with the bracket, and I will do some if statement here with if var smaller than 10 and var assignment var multiply to system.out.println var, and I will do the continue statement here. After enclosing the if statement, I will do a break, and after that system.out.println the while loop is done. The value of var is plus var. And you can see it's pretty long, and I want to make it into 2 lines. So I want to get enter here. And you can see NetBeans automatically create a new plus sign here. Perfect. Let's create a blank line. System.out.println, and let's run the project. Now you see we have 6 and 12. So where is this from? First, I have the value of var is 3, so it's greater than 1, so the condition here is true. Next, it will test the condition in if statement with var smaller than 10. So 3 now is smaller than 10, right? Condition is true. Then we have var assignment var multiply 2. So var now we have 3 multiply 2 is 6, and we print it out as 6. After that, I will do the continue. So the statement continue here, it makes the program to go over to the while var greater than 1 again without going to break statement. So let's see if we don't have the continue statement here, what happened. Comment it out and run the project. Now we just have 6 because after the println method done, we have the break. So the program get out of the while loop without test the value of var. We know that if we don't have the break here, the condition of the while loop is still true because the value of var is 6, so it's greater than 1. But we have break here, that's why we go over the while loop. Okay, so let's delete the comment of the continue statement and run the project again. So because we have continue here, then we go over the while var greater than 1, so the condition here is true. Then we test if var is smaller than 10, so it's true because the value of var is 6. So again, var assignment 6 multiply 2, so we have 12. So the print line print the value of var is 12 here, and it get continue. Again, it go to the while var greater than 1 without go to the break statement. But now var is 12, it greater than 10, so the condition of the if statement is false. So the statement in if aren't executed. That's why the continue statement is not executed. So the program go to the break and it get out of the while loop, and we print out the while loop is done. The value of fun is 12. Okay, let's do one more. We know that we can give a name to the break statement. So let's do outer colon for int I assignment 0, I smaller than 5, and I plus plus, and open bracket. I have van assignment van modulus 5 system.out.println the value of van is n plus van, and I will do break outer. Then I will system.out.println the outer for loop is done. Okay, system.out.println and run the project. And now we have the value of van is 2 and the outer of for loop is done. We have last time the value of van is 12, the remainder of van divide 5 is 2. So after the modulus, the van have the value of 2. Because we have the break outer, so it make the program get out of the outer and it go over the system.out.println the outer for loop it is done. Sorry, I mistyped here. Okay, next about local variable. We have variable I here. I want to see the value of I after the for loop done. So I will do system.out.println and open quotation mark. Value of I is n plus I. And you can see that we have error here. Let's see, cannot find symbol variable I. So that is a local variable scope because we declare the variable I inside the for loop. So it just work in the for loop. Outside the for loop is not existing. So let's see if we want to print out here. Let's copy the print line and paste here and comment out the print line method that print the value of I and run the project. So now we can see value. Oh, I mistyped again. Sorry. So now we can see that the value of I is 0. Okay, so let's change it again. I will declare the variable I outside the for loop like int I and semicolon. So now I shouldn't have int here. Okay, and delete the comment here. So run the project. So now as you can see, we don't have any error anymore. And we have the value of I is 0. The scope of variable I is in the main method, not in the for loop like before. So that's why when we want to use the variable I here, it works perfectly. Okay, that's all for today. Thank you.